Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to remove the chlorine smell from your bathing suits. Don't wash your bathing suits in the washing machine like you do your other clothes, because it can fade really easily like your other clothes do. You want your bathing suits to last, and it's really easy to wash them by hand. All you need is a bowl of water and add a splash of vinegar. Vinegar will get rid of any odor. Throw your swimsuit in there and let it soak. You can let it soak for 15 minutes, you can let it soak for an hour, it depends on how bad the smell is. You can let it soak overnight if you want. Vinegar is harmless. After you've let it soak, don't wring it out too aggressively because you don't want to stretch it out. You want to be gentle with the fibers of it. Grab 2 towels. I've got 2 right here. Lay the swimsuit out flat on top of one towel. Throw the other towel on top. And then roll it up. Don't roll it up too tight, roll it up pretty loosely. And this will get the swimsuit out of the way while it dries. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you get the chlorine smell out of a swimsuit.